Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to appear offline in Diablo Immortal. So the first thing to do is to launch open the Diablo Immortal game on your device, and once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner. Now click on the gear button at the top right to open up the settings menu. From the settings tab, tap on chat on the left. Inside chat, scroll down until you see the appear offline option, this one over here. Now you'll see three different options: friends, warband, and clan. To appear offline with friends, make sure that you've selected friends. To appear offline in warband, check on the warband, and similarly to appear offline in clan, go ahead and tap on clan. Check all of these boxes to appear offline in everywhere. If you select friends, then you'll be hidden from your friend list. If you select a warband, it'll hide you from your group team, and from the clan option, it'll hide you from guild members. You can check them separately depending on privacy needs. After having this turned on, this will make your online presence invisible to friends, warbands, and clan members while still enjoying the game privately. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.